everybody, I'm Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be going over ways to make 8. Before we get started, let's look at some vocabulary to better help us through the lesson. In all. What does in all mean? In all means we are going to add, okay? Here's my plus sign. When I see in all, I will add. Same. Same means they are equal, okay? Here's an equal sign. So who remembers what this chart is called? This chart is called a T-chart. I like to use a T-chart to determine what two parts give me the sum of 8, okay? So 0 plus what is 8? 1 plus what is 8? And so on. I stopped at 8 because remember, I do not want a part that is higher than the sum. If I kept going, I would be at 9. 9 is bigger than the sum, so that would not work, okay? So let's start with 0. 0 plus what equals 8? So I can hold a fist and say 0 and count up until I say 8. Then see how many fingers it took to jump up. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 plus 8 equals 8. So I'll put 8 here and write 0 plus 8 equals 8. Okay, so we've already learned how to count up using our fists, but we haven't really worked with visuals in these videos, so I decided to bring some out and have some fun, okay? So 1 plus what equals 8? I have 1 blue dot. How many red dots do I need to get to 8? So we'll start at 1 and the rest that we add will be red. Then we will see how many red we added to get to 8. Ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dots, 1 blue, and how many red? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 2. So I will start with 2 blue dots this time and count to see how many red I need to get to 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dots. 2 are blue, so I'll write 2. And how many are red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3. So I will start with how many blue dots? 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Now I will count up to 8 using my red dots. So I have 3, and now I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 blue dots plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dots equals 8. Very good. 4. If I have 4 blue dots, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many red do I need to get to 8? Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dots now. I have 4 that are blue. And 1, 2, 3, 4 that are red. That means that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Very nice. I was about to move on to my next number, but what do you think I noticed? I noticed that I have the same number on this side as I do on this side, right? 4 and 4. Those are the same numbers. Isn't that one of our secrets? When I have the same number on this side as this side, that means I'm done, right? I don't need to check for any more ways to make 8. Now the only other ways I will find are the same ones I have here, only flipped, all right? Very good. So now let's just go ahead and have some fun working through some problems, okay? I have 2 plus 6 equals, So I will start with 2 blue dots. 1, 2, and I will add 6 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots do I have in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Nice. Next, I have 4 plus 4. So I will start with 4 blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And add 4 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 blue dots plus 4 red dots equals how many dots in all? Remember, in all means to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So this problem is exactly the same as these, except this one is written vertically. This is a vertical addition number sentence, whereas these are horizontal addition number sentences, okay? Horizontal goes side to side, vertical goes up and down. So I have 7 blue dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 1 red dot. 1. How many dots do I have in all? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So that means that 7 plus 1 equals 8. So I have 5 plus 3 equals, So I'm going to start with 5 blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 red dots. 1, 2, 3. Now I've been counting like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on to find my total, right? But I already know that I have 5 blue dots. So can't I just do this? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. That's what counting on looks like. 0 plus 8. I have 0 blue dots. That means I'm going to put none, right? 0 means none. And I'm going to put 8 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many dots do I have in all? I have 8, right? I just have 8 red dots that I put down. So 0 plus 8 equals 8. And remember, 0 plus a number is that number. Or a number plus 0 is that number. All right? 6 plus 2. So I have 6 blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 2 red dots. 1, 2. Let's add them all up to see how many I have in all. Remember, I can count up. I can say 6 blue dots, 7, 8. So I have 8 total. Nice. Now time for some fun word problems. Okay, so it says, at Luke's party, there are 5 red balloons. There are 3 blue balloons. How many balloons are there in all? So I'm going to start by circling what I already know, right? I know that there are how many red balloons? 5. Good. 5 red. There are 3 blue balloons. How many blue balloons? 3. Good. I want to know how many balloons are there in all. And in all means to add. Awesome. So 5 and 3. I have 5 red, so let's go ahead and place those out. I'll put them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many blue? 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have 5 red plus 3 blue equals, or is the same as, how many total? Let's count. 5 red plus 6, 7, 8. All right? So 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 is the sum. That is the answer. Ready for our last problem? It says, Matt saw 4 birds flying in the sky. He saw 4 more birds at the bird bath. How many birds did he see in all? I want to start by circling what I already know. I know that how many birds were flying in the sky? 4. Good. Let's circle 4. He saw how many birds in the bird bath? 4. Now I want to know how many birds did he see in all? And I learned already that in all means to add. Awesome. Add. So let's go ahead and write our 2 parts down below. 4 and 4. And I know that I have to add them. 4 plus 4 equals, we will now use our dots to represent the birds that are flying and the birds at the bird bath. For the birds flying, I will use blue. So I have 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 4 at the bird bath. So these will be the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add up. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Awesome. Okay guys, so that wraps up today's lesson on ways to make 8. Now I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very useful. I also hope that you enjoyed working with the visuals. Now, if you don't have visuals at home to work with like mine, remember, you can always replace them with something else. For your blue magnets, you can have pretzels. For your reds, you can have goldfish. Or you can have crayons and markers. It's really up to you. So I hope you just have fun with it and enjoy working on math, alright? So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!